directions. Sailing directions, also known as pilots, are comprehensive nautical publications produced by national hydrographic offices or Coast Guard agencies. They provide crucial information to support safe navigation and port entry to all types of vessels at sea. Significance of navigation and port approaches. Sailing directions play a vital role in both navigation and port approaches by providing essential information that complements official nautical charts. Sailing directions provide in-depth descriptions of coastlines including navigational hazards, buoyant system, pilotage regulations, and general notes on countries. Situational awareness. By combining information from sailing directions with official nautical charts, bridge crews can enhance their situational awareness and make informed decisions during navigation. Local knowledge. Sailing directions act as a substitute for local marine pilots, offering valuable local knowledge and insights that are not readily available on charts. Port approaches. Port facilities. Sailing directions provide detailed information on port facilities, including anchorage, berthing arrangement, and operational procedures. Pilotage requirements. They outline pilotage regulations and procedures for specific ports, ensuring compliance with local laws and safety entry. Environmental conditions. Environmental conditions. Sailing directions include information on seasonal currents, ice condition, and climatic factors that can affect port approaches. Sailing directions are indispensable tools for safe and efficient navigation and port approaches. They provide a comprehensive overview of local conditions, regulations, and facilities, ensuring that mariners have the information they need to navigate safely and efficiently.